Tag auch, hier ist Marius aus Hamburg.
Here's a short presentation of a 12-inch car audio subwoofer driver which I wanted to use as a passive radiator. I made an absolute bargain on a well-known online auction site, and when I calculated the TSPs, I was really surprised how good the parameters were, especially mechanical loss. More details on that in a minute. Unfortunately, I only took this one picture of them until now. That's why another video will follow where I show more. These 12-inch woofers are called G-Power TX Blue 1000. It seems that they are not available anymore, but they were sold new for €100 and I got the pair for less than 20. They have a very big magnet, a die-cast basket and a membrane made from polypropylene. The driver has many big venting holes and a kept-on voice coil former, which causes the low mechanical loss of only 2 kg per second. For example, a monocore SPH 300KE also has 2 kg per second, but costs €200. In the last 3 tests in Hobby Hi-Fi, I couldn't find any other driver with less mechanical loss that didn't have less linear excursion but also a die-cast basket. Unfortunately, both drivers I got do not only look slightly different, they also have slightly differing parameters. Possible enclosures will be discussed in the unboxing video, which is coming soon. I found out there's a lookalike by Rato called WX800 Terminator, but that one has an aluminium voice coil former and therefore higher mechanical loss. The parameter is called RMS. I added its parameters measured by the manufacturer for comparison on the previous picture. An unboxing and enclosure simulation video will follow. Thank you for watching.